To use the TourSoft visual editor for editing text, just hover over the text section that you would like to edit. Make sure to click within that widget and then select either the title and description. For example, here, Why Adventure Tours. We can change to Why Your Tours, for example. And then in the description, you can edit in the text as you would like it here. You have the option to add a divider like this between the title and text, and you can set the text alignment to be either left centered or right centered, and you can also add different icons to this area. Currently we have an inflatable raft. Now you can click on the drop down to see some of the other options, for example bag, or here's a kayak. And the style for icons are these three basic options of default, filled, or framed. You can also change the icon size. And again, all of these are within the text editor settings. This particular widget is a header. We can see here it says Edit Header at the top. But there are other text sections throughout the website. For example, this section here. This is just a simple text widget. And we can click to edit the title and description here. To get a little bit more advanced, we can click on Style, and here you have the options to select the title color. For example, we can change that here, and the description text color. You can also change the link color. Link here. Or reset them all to their defaults. Setting them to the default allows the master CSS or style sheet to take over. For advanced text editing, you can change the margins and padding, and you can do so per device, and you can get into changing the custom CSS as well.